All right, at number 6 here, I'm just going to have you identify whether a compound is a molecular compound or an ionic compound. So the surefire way to do it is if it has a metal in it, then it is an ionic compound. And most of the periodic table here, most of the left side of the periodic table here is metals. So I just got to look and see if it's a metal or not. So let's first just look at that. So this guy's a metalloid with some nonmetals. So this is definitely a molecular compound. If I see a metal, it's ionic. I don't have to think about it anymore. If it's got a metal in it, it's ionic. All of these elements are all nonmetals, and so this one is molecular. This compound, germanium, is a metalloid, so it's a metalloid with some nonmetals, so it's molecular. Another one, metalloid with some nonmetals, molecular. Silver, which is to the left of the metalloid line, silver's over here. Silver is a metal, so this is an ionic compound. Sodium's way over here, ionic compound. And then hydrogen is a nonmetal and oxygen's a nonmetal. So it is a molecular compound. So the only exception to this is we have one set of compounds that do not contain a metal but are ionic, and those are the ones that have the NH4 plus the ammonium cation in them. Okay, so if you see a formula that's something like NH4Cl, that's NH4 plus with Cl minus. Okay, that's the only real exception to our how we would decide whether it's molecular or ionic.